rights defender, director of the Institute for Peace and Democracy, Leyla Yunus, held a press conference at the office of the organization in connection with country's inept human rights protection system. Yunus noted that the country's human rights protection system was not influential in the protection of rights up to date. She blamed herself and country's human rights defenders for this. Yunus said that despite the activities of human rights defenders, the number of political prisoners increases from year to year, which she called a sign of inefficiency, and added that number of political prisoners in the country has reached 130. Leyla Yunus considered the tactics of some human rights defenders erroneous and meaningless, who refused to criticize Ilham Aliyev, urged the government to engage in dialogue with the civil society institutions, and convinced the political prisoners that they would be released and asked them to be calm. She said the latest pardon order wasn't expected to meet expectations. Consequently, Yunus proclaimed a new advocacy strategy, not bowing to the government. Moreover, head of the IPD announced establishment of a center of resistance to repression with an aim of taking real steps in this field. She called on the former political prisoners and family members of political prisoners to join the center. First meeting for the development of specific tactics was appointed to June 11th. The date was not chosen randomly. On this day, in the Helsinki Commission of the United States Congress, there will be hearings on the human rights situation in Azerbaijan. Besides, she noted that IPD has sent explanatory comments about Azerbaijan's human rights record to these hearings. Leyla Yunus made clear the reasons of setting up the center. She stated that law enforcement agencies and judiciary are not independent and investigations are falsified in the country. Law enforcement agencies do not follow the law, but political orders, said Leyla Yunus. It was noted that there was no criminal offense in the case of NGO leader Anar Mehmedli, bloggers and people arrested due to Ismaila unrest. It was also noted that fight against falsified investigations and arbitrary court decisions was necessary. Referring to her involvement in the criminal case of journalist Raif Kadirov, the director of the IPD said that their illegally confiscated passports have not been yet returned. She also added that they still cannot get money from their bank account and are constantly subjected to surveillance.